If you're training hard, pushing heavy weights, and still not seeing real muscle growth, then your nutrition is holding you back. Bulking isn't about eating junk food or forcing calories. It's about choosing foods that actually stimulate muscle growth, support recovery, and keep your body in a constant anabolic state. In this video, I'll break down the 10 best bulking foods that help you gain size, strength, and quality muscle mass faster. Watch till the end, because these foods are used by serious lifters who want real results. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete muscle-building foods you can eat during a bulk. They provide high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, which your body needs to repair damaged muscle fibers and build new muscle tissue. What makes eggs especially powerful is the combination of protein and healthy fats found in the yolk. These fats help slow digestion, keeping your muscles supplied with amino acids for longer periods and supporting hormone production, including testosterone. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, B12, selenium, and choline, nutrients that support muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and recovery. Because eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and highly versatile, they make it easy to consistently hit your daily protein targets, which is essential for long-term bulking success. Number 2. Lean red meat. Beef. Lean red meat is one of the most effective foods for gaining both muscle size and strength. Beef provides a dense source of complete protein, along with naturally occurring creatine, which improves strength, power output, and workout performance. It's also rich in iron, which helps deliver oxygen to working muscles, allowing you to train harder and longer. Zinc and vitamin B12 found in beef play a crucial role in testosterone production, red blood cell formation, and recovery. When consumed in lean cuts, red meat supports muscle growth without excessive fat gain, making it ideal for clean bulking. Including beef regularly helps maximize muscle density, strength progression, and overall training performance. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow and keeps content like this coming. Number 3. Rice, white and brown. Rice is one of the most reliable and effective carbohydrate sources for bulking. Carbohydrates are critical during a bulk because they replenish muscle glycogen, fuel intense training sessions, and prevent protein from being used as energy. White rice digests quickly and is perfect for pre- and post-workout meals, while brown rice provides slower digesting carbs and fiber for sustained energy. Rice is easy on the stomach, making it ideal for people who struggle to eat large amounts of food. By pairing rice with protein, you create a powerful anabolic meal that supports muscle recovery, strength gains, and consistent calorie intake. Number 4. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the cleanest and most efficient protein sources for muscle growth. It is extremely high in protein while remaining low in fat, allowing you to increase muscle mass without unnecessary fat gain. Chicken breast is rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a direct role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. Because it's easy to cook in bulk and store, chicken breast helps you stay consistent with your nutrition, which is often the biggest challenge during a bulk. Regular consumption supports faster recovery, improved strength, and steady lean muscle growth, making it a staple in nearly every successful bulking diet. Number 5. Oats. Oats are one of the best complex carbohydrates for sustained muscle growth. They provide long-lasting energy that fuels workouts and supports recovery without causing blood sugar crashes. Oats are rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, and slow-digesting carbs, which help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. They're also incredibly versatile. You can add whole milk, bananas, peanut butter, or protein powder to dramatically increase calories. Oats are especially useful for hard gainers because they help increase calorie intake in a clean, controlled way while supporting digestion and overall health. Number 6. Whole milk. Whole milk is one of the most underrated bulking foods, yet one of the most effective. It provides protein, carbohydrates, and fats in an almost perfect ratio for muscle growth. Whole milk contains both whey and casein protein. Whey supports fast recovery after workouts, while casein provides slow, steady muscle repair over several hours. The natural fats increase calorie density and support hormone production, which is essential for muscle gain. Drinking whole milk regularly is one of the easiest ways to boost daily calories without feeling overly full, making it extremely effective for hard gainers. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon is a premium bulking food that supports muscle growth, recovery, and joint health. It provides high-quality protein along with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation and improve recovery between workouts. Omega-3s have also been shown to enhance muscle protein synthesis, meaning your body builds muscle more efficiently. Salmon is rich in vitamin D and healthy fats that support testosterone levels and muscle strength. Including salmon regularly helps you train harder, recover faster, and build higher quality muscle mass. Number 8. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is one of the easiest ways to dramatically increase calorie intake during a bulk. It is extremely calorie-dense, providing healthy fats, protein, and sustained energy in just a few spoonfuls. The fats in peanut butter support hormone production and help keep your body in an anabolic state. Because it digests slowly, it provides long-lasting energy and helps prevent muscle breakdown. Peanut butter is perfect for smoothies, oats, toast, or quick snacks, making it a lifesaver for hard gainers who struggle to eat enough calories. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense carbohydrate source that supports both performance and recovery. They provide complex carbs, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that help maintain muscle contractions and hydration during intense training. Sweet potatoes release energy slowly, keeping you strong throughout long workouts. They also support gut health, which becomes increasingly important during high-calorie bulking phases. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals helps you gain mass efficiently while keeping your nutrition balanced. Number 10. Bananas. Bananas are a simple but powerful bulking food that supports energy, recovery, and muscle function. They provide fast-digesting carbohydrates that fuel workouts and replenish glycogen afterward. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and supports proper muscle contractions. They're easy to digest and ideal for shakes, pre-workout snacks, or post-workout meals. Including bananas regularly helps maintain performance, hydration, and consistent calorie intake. Bulking isn't about eating more food, it's about eating the right foods consistently. When you combine these 10 best bulking foods with progressive training, adequate sleep, and patience, muscle growth becomes inevitable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your gym partners. Comment below which bulking food you rely on the most, and I'll see you in the next video.